Hey guys, my name is Aaron. We all have stuff that we carry with us each and every day, or our everyday carry, or EDC. In this video, I'm going to show you the 9 to 10 things that I carry with me every day. Starting things off, we've got my wallet. My wallet of choice is from iPulse, and it's their Tokyo series wallet. I've been using this wallet for about 5 months now and love its very minimal design, while also doing everything that I needed to do. The wallet is able to hold 12 cards, even though I typically only keep about 9 in it. It also has a cash strap and a pouch on the front of it, which can also hold 10 bills for cash, and I can confirm that it does hold 10 bills, though I don't really ever keep cash on me because, let's be honest, it's 2019, people. No, it's not. It's 2018. Whoa! Oh, this year's going by so fast. Next up is the Kershaw Cryo Blackwash 1555 BW pocket knife. Ever since I was allowed to as a kid from my parents, I've had a pocket knife in my pocket every day. I don't carry the pocket knife for self-defense because, I'm gonna be real honest, that would turn very ugly for me very quickly, so I use it more for a utility, which I think is what most people use it for anyways. It's great for cutting strings, opening up boxes, really cutting anything that you need to cut. This knife is able to do it. And it also cuts off all those silly tags that come on your daughter's stuffed animals that she insists have to be cut off before she'll play with them. It's great at doing that. I went with Kershaw back in 2016 because of the quality that the name Kershaw has behind it, the design of the knife, but then also the speed safe mechanism that Kershaw includes on some of their knives as well. If you're looking for a new daily carry pocket knife, you really can't go wrong with this one at all. If you end up being interested in this knife or really any of the products I end up talking about today, check the description box down below because there will be links to all these items on Amazon. Your car keys are usually pretty bland and they're pretty boring. However, I've been using the Key Smart in the black colorway for the last couple of years, and I will never not use a Key Smart in the future. The Key Smart is a way to keep your keys managed in a minimal and small form factor in your pocket so that they're not taking up a bunch of space. The Key Smart basically opens up, allows you to put a key, you slap a spacer on top of that, put another key, and keep going until you've used all your keys or you've filled up the Key Smart. Key Smart has all sorts of accessories that you can actually put inside of your Key Smart, including knives, flashlights, flash drives, bottle openers. I don't really use any of those things, but if you want them, they've got a ton of accessories to really make the Key Smart your own. I carry a flash drive with me almost every day, and it's a USB 3.0 SanDisk Ultra, which has USB Type A, but also USB Type C connectivity, so I can transfer files to and from my phone, to and from my PC very quickly if I need to. I use it to transfer documents, pictures, music, really whatever I need to. It's a flash drive, you get the point. It's super helpful to have one with you almost all the time. One thing that I recently added to my EDC was a flashlight. If you go to the EDC subreddit, you'll see that all the guys or whoever is posting, most of them have a flashlight in their kit, and I never really quite understood why. Now that I've added one to it, it's super convenient to have one. The one that I went with is the Maglite Solitaire, and I got it for around 10 bucks at a local Home Depot. The Solitaire is powered by one AAA battery and is roughly the length of 2 of those. The power rating for the light bulb is 37 lumens, and this thing is freakishly bright, and I am super happy with it. Though our phone's flashlights will work for most cases, it's really nice to have an actual flashlight that you can stick in your teeth for when you're working in your car, working on a chair, working on anything that really needs both of your hands. Being able to stick a little flashlight in your teeth, be able to get down to work and just do what you need to is super convenient, and the Maglite Solitaire is really awesome. One thing that I cannot leave the house without is my chapstick. I can leave without a flashlight or a flash drive, but without my chapstick, I just have this fear of having chapped lips and my lips hurting and not being able to put chapstick on them when I need to. Just thinking about it is gonna cause me to have a triggered event. I don't know, to me, it's some of the worst torture to not be able to put chapstick on chapped lips, regardless if it's summer, spring, fall, winter, whatever. There's chapstick in my pocket at all times. I'm currently using a blue variant of chapstick, and I think it has like SPF 15 rating on it or something like that. But I've got 2 more sticks of black just sitting on my dresser, so I'll be switching back to that here shortly. My phone of choice is still the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and it has been for the last couple of years. I've had it since it was released. It's still able to do everything that I needed to with games, videos, photos, anything that I needed to. Is very fully capable of doing it. It is starting to show some issues with its battery life, but with Quick Charge 3.0 and me having outlets almost everywhere that I go, I can top my battery on my phone off very quickly if I need to. It is starting to show a little bit of slowness when it comes to opening up apps, but it's seriously not enough for me to even consider getting a new phone in the next year or so. I do have a smartwatch and I wear it just about every day, and it's from Samsung. It's the Gear S3 Frontier Edition, rocking a super comfortable band from the folks over at Gadget Wraps. Check the description box down below for a discount code if you decide to shop through their store. I've got a code available down there that you can use. It'll save you some money. Feel free if you want to. I used to have a Motorola 360. It was the first smartwatch I ever had. I love that thing to pieces. However, I took it into the ocean and it wasn't waterproof. So bye-bye Motorola 360. It's up in my closet up here, I think somewhere in the box. I then got an Asus ZenWatch 3. It didn't have a heart rate monitor. I decided I want one, so I sold it and got this Gear S3. I proceeded to work out no more than 3 days in the year and a half that I've had it, but I'm very happy with it. It does notifications just fine. It has a plethora of apps that I don't really use, but if I wanted to, they're there. I'm very happy with it. The last item that I carry with me, and I just recently started carrying with me, and I'm still actually testing them, are the TrebLab X5s. These are truly wireless headphones that are in the same realm as the Apple AirPods with their design, with their shape, but they're half the price. So I'm still testing them, still seeing if they're gonna make it into my everyday carry, but here recently they have been, just because of the convenience factor. So I don't usually listen to music all the time, but having these headphones in my pocket all the time, I've actually found myself listening to music more at work versus listening to podcasts or stuff like that. So we'll see, maybe it'll make me appreciate music a little bit more. So for what I carry every day, that's it. What do you guys think? Is there anything that I'm carrying that you're not, that maybe now you'll consider carrying? Is there something that maybe I should consider carrying and replacing in my current kit that maybe you're carrying? Let me know in the description box down below. Would love to talk about it and see kind of what different things you're carrying versus what I'm carrying. This stuff really interests me, so hit up those comments down below. If this video was helpful to you all, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, again, leave them down below. Would love to help you out any way that I can. If you want to see consumer tech or EDC reviews on stuff that I use and enjoy, and think you will too, hit that subscribe button. But until the next one, this is Aaron. Take care.